just want to quickly talk about radon. So January is National Radon Awareness Month, and radon is actually very prevalent in the Reno Sparks, Truckee Meadows area because of our close proximity to our beautiful mountains and the geological surrounding soils. It's tasteless, odorless, hard to detect, and it is the second leading cause of lung cancer in the United States behind smoking, believe it or not. So something you should probably take a look at. There's lots of different available resources out there, starting with the University of Nevada Reno Cooperative Extension. They have a great website, and the best thing about that program is that they have free self-tests. So if you're a homeowner out there and have never had it tested, you can pick up these tests from UNR at very inexpensive. And then what you do is follow the directions, put it in your house, send it back to the lab, and they'll tell you if you have excessive radon in your house. Now, if you are buying or selling, probably should be on your checklist, particularly if you're a buyer. In that case, what you do is you use one of the companies that we work with that are radon testing companies. And what they do is they come in to the house that you're buying, put in 2 or 3 different machines that take air samples every 5 seconds for 48 hours, and they tell you how much radon is in that house. So if you want more information about making it part of your checklist, or you want those free samples, take a look at our blog below. Leave us any comments or questions you have about it, and we'll go from there. Talk to you soon. Thanks.